Okay, so we are going to open our file. Where is my file? So always we have to organize in the proper format in the D drive and bitstream IO training batches, then uh, December 2022 code. So now we are going to be create a file called index a.html. So then, yeah, because it is going to be initially this one. Okay, the next topic is what is this one? After table and ID, we have discussed. So classes and ID. Why we need a class? We are going to be write a set of a CSS class for a specific element. Then we are using that class. So ID is a unique reference. As the name ID means identification. Okay, so that is also we have mentioned. If it is a class, here will be dot will come. If it is an ID, the hash will come. So that is we already learned in the last session here. So this is the ID. So how the ID reference is there, how the class reference is there. So we have discussed and in the recorded video also is there. Now we'll go for the index8.html doc. So here save it. So next is what? iframe. What is the iframe? So iframe is a one tag specifies the inline frame. So the main concept is the iframe is to display website within a website. Okay, so how to do this one? So here h2 welcome to iframe example. Save it. So how to do write a tag? So you no need to type. Let's say I will type a iframe. Automatically it will come. Select this one. Enter. Then source will come. Okay, so here it is a so you no need to type iframe, no need to do this one. So just type a iframe, ifra. So here it will come, just hit enter. Automatically this tag will give all those things. The source, what is the source? So iframe is a one thing, it is display website within a website. How to do this one? So I want to display this website, copy, and I will add here. Okay, I will add a bitstream io.com. Control V, save it, right click, open with the live server. So it is going to be open with the live server. See, here what happens. So this is index8.html is a my file. So here it is a it will open a this file. Okay, so now I want to make a width equals to 500 pixel, 400 pixel. So it is taking a see my file, my web page is index.html. and displaying a one more web page. So that is called a iframe. So if you want to full width of the screen, how to do? So you just increase the width is equal to 1200 pixel. Save it, write it, see how it looks. So this mysteryMyO.com is a one website. It is a displaying in another website or web page. So that is index.html. So this mysteryMyO page is somewhere here. mysteryMyO.com page is loading. So it will act as the same website only, but it is running in the one more website. So this is called a iframe. So in the interview, what is the iframe means? So iframe is a one thing. It is going to be a display web page within a web page. The next is what? A JavaScript. So you might heard about a JavaScript. Then how to use a JavaScript? We are going to be see here. So you no need to worry about what is the code and all everything. So just understand how to call the JavaScript. So if you want to write a JavaScript, how to do? You have to use a script tag and a source. Okay. The constant. Uh, okay. So I will take a one. Okay. Document. So I want to print a something. Okay. Using a JavaScript. Document dot write of this is a code within a JavaScript. See, this is the code within the JavaScript. Here it is printing. So if you want to write a JavaScript code, here you are going to be write it. So how to do JavaScript and everything. So we are going to be learn here. Where? In the JavaScript. So this is whole JavaScript is there. Okay. So we will going to be learn. No need to worry. So in the this is called a JavaScript. So this is you can leave it. Okay. If you want, you can go through it. You can leave it. So this is a how the header part is there, layout is there, responsive. What is a responsive? This is very important. So whenever you build an application, so that website should be a responsive site. What is a responsive site? So this is a website is running in the browser. Okay. So what if I open in a mobile phone? Control Shift I, Revit. Okay. So this is a how it will works. So it will suits for the mobile also. So what is a mobile? iPhone SE. I will change for the Moto Z4. So this is called a mobile testing. When you develop in any application, you need to test right application. So that is called a mobile testing. So UI testing we can say. I can go for the Pixel 7. So it has to be suit according. So it should not like that, okay, it is hiding somewhere or not. It should work. So my application is developed or a website is developed. It suits for the all the devices. How? If I open the Zomato. So Zomato, no, it will work in the like a browser. It should not. It will not work in the mobile device. So we can't say like this, right? So it has to be work for all the mobile devices. How to do this one? Right click, do inspect. So this is called a mobile testing. See, automatically, if you click here, this is you will get. This is called a desktop and mobile. Okay. See how it looks now. Is it right? So if I go for the Moto Z4, so here also it is getting all the uh, elements like this. So it is fitting for the all the devices. So then we'll go for the iPhone 12 because we are opening this Zomato website in the mobile device. So that is called a responsive. Okay, then how to do this one? So how to do this one in the sense we are going to be go with the responsive, that is the name equals to meta equal to name viewport, content equal to width equals to device minus width. What is your device? Your mobile device. So what is the width? It is going to be read your mobile device width and it is fitting properly. So this is called a responsive. So this is a one level of a responsive, or else we can say a viewport. The viewport user visual area of web page, it varies the width with the devices. Means if it is a mobile, it is going to be set for the mobile. If it is a tablet, it is going to be set for the tablet. If it is a desktop, it is going to be fit for the desktop. Okay, so this is a clear. The next is a so okay, this is important. If you want, you can go through it, you can leave it. Okay, that's it. The next is the forms. So why we need a form? The form is less okay. Why we need a form? In general, if you want to go for you might seen heard about the form in the exam form. You are going to be fill you want to fill the exam form. Why we are filling this one? So what is the exam, what is the fees, and how many exams and everything you are going to be signing, and you are going to be pay the bills or money. Same thing, every application is having a forms. Okay, so I will open a one Netflix application. Okay, so what? Okay, so Netflix. So I will open this one. So I want to use this one. What is the thing we need? We need to sign up. So this is called a one form. Okay, this is the login form. If I don't have any user ID, first we need to sign up. So here we need to sign up the details here. Okay, so here we need to put a address in. Once I sign up, I am going to be add my something mobile number and something password. So once I submit it, this data is going for the server. So this is called a form. Okay, so that is what we are going to be discuss here. Forms. The HTML form is used to collect the user input. The user input is the most often sent to the server for a processing. If you're going for the login, what it will happen? This is a my dummy number. This is a one dummy password. If I hit enter means it is hitting to this server and it is sending a response. What is the response? Sorry, we can't find the account with this number. Who is giving this one? This is a given by the backend. Okay, so this is the form we are used to communicate between the front end to the back end. Okay, so wherever it is like something communication or something, no. So you are sending the data almost all the cases you are in the form of a form submission. Okay, so this will go for the how the structure. The form start tag and a form end tag. Then the input variable will come, input element. The HTML input element is the most used form element. The input element can be displayed with the many ways depending on the type of attribute. Okay, if you want to define a text box, radio button, checkbox, submit button. So we will discuss that one. So here I want to remove this one. I will use for the form. Sorry, save it. Okay, now here what happens? Uh, Form. So this is the way how to define it. So you need not to worry about what is the action and all. So just listen about what is the form. Okay, then we are typing the input. So input I have typed, then the type. So text. Okay. So I want to define a username and password. How to do this one? So input type is a text and name equals to username and next input type equals to I will use the password. See, I am not writing whole thing password like this. How I am writing? So just I am typing a pass, automatically it will come in, just hit enter. Password name equals to password. Okay, the next is what? So how it will looks? So go to the browser here. So username and password. Okay, so username and password. So this is a how it will look. Username something Virat. The password will be 123. Why the star dot will come? So I have used a type attribute is a password. That is why. So if you want to come in the next line, what to do? You need to add a break tag. BR means it will break the line, or you can just say enter. You're pressing enter in a laptop, no? So that is called a break. So if you want a more line, save it. So this is how it will username and password. Okay, so this is how it will works. Clear? So then what are all the attributes are there? So we have seen here the radio button. How it will looks a radio button. Input type is radio. Save it. So this is the radio button. Okay. The input type equals to I will use a checkbox. So this is the checkbox. You might see the checkbox. You might see the radio button and and if you want a button here, so how to do button? Input type equals to button, save it, will go here. So here it is a button is there, so I need to pass the value here, value for a login. So my this is the simple username and password and login button. So I want to break this one, br tag, save it, run it. We'll add a one more break. See how it looks. Username, password, login. Okay. So now, so here username and password. So this is how it will looks. So I will just comment for a while. So this is a one my login form. You can take any Netflix, Hotstar, Zomato, Swiggy. Everybody need a authentication, right? So here they are going to be take a login form. Okay, so this is called a form. So I want to hit enter and I want to add a username or password, and if I hit means it is going to be sent the data. So this is the general process of every application. Okay, so now what are all the different attributes are there? Okay, so here are so many attributes are there. What is an attribute? Attribute, it will coming along with the starting tag and it will give the special meaning. Action is an attribute, id is an attribute, type is an attribute, name is an attribute. Okay, so this is how to send a data. Okay, so now we are seeing one more thing called okay, so if you want to see this one, if you just copy and paste it, you will get. So later, once the class is completed, no, so you just go through this one, you can type it. So you label for label name. How it looks, I will just copy this one and I will add here. I will replace with the my form. Control V. So form action label F name equals first name. Save it. Will go here. First name John, last name Doe. Okay, so here if I submit here, it is going to be sent the a John and a Doe. Okay, so this is how it will happen. Okay, so this is the John and Doe. It is going to be submitted in the form. So next is the method is there. So there are two options will come. Method. What is a method? So there are a get and post method is there. So we have a two more methods, uh, a update and a delete. Okay. So what is a post means? Post means what? Send. Get means what? Take. So you are going to be use a most of so sending a data post. So method is a post, and one more is it will come action. What is the action? The action means where to send. Where is the second backend application? So I want to send the https colon www.google.com login details. So this is the action is a where to send. Okay, the action is a where to send. Method is a post. Okay, so now here what happens? HTTPS www.google.com login details. So this is how it will be works. Okay, so here it is a the username and a password submit. So this is the login details. It is not there. Okay, that's why it is telling a 404. So just I want to remove this one. Method is a post. Okay, so this is how it will work. So later you can work on it. What is the attributes and everything. Okay, the next is the HTML form elements. What are all the elements? Input is an element, a label, select, text area, button, field set. So as I told you, input. So input type equals to text. So label and tag, and select means you are getting a drop down, right? So that is the select you are going to be discussed. So like that, all the examples are there. So you just practice it. See, this is a straightforward is there. There is a no mathematics involved, nothing here. So input type. So input type also you have like a button is there, text box is there, password, date, file, email, reset. All these are there. You have to practice it. Okay. So if you might see like that. Okay, I want to read the file also. How to do? The input type is what? You just type a file, save it, we'll go to the browser. See, you might see the choose a file, no? So this is how it will works. I will take this one file as a upload. Who is giving this one? So this is the HTML standard. The W3 of organization it is giving this feature. So only I have used input type is file. So it is going to be read a file. So you are going to be click on this one. So this is the how it is going to be read the file. So if you submit means it has to be go there. Okay, so this is where how we are going to be work on it. So this is called the HTML. So HTML attribute, form attribute. So this is already we have discussed about. So we have a number of attributes. So this is for the intro specific. I am telling that you no need to go for more on that one. If you go for many websites are there. If you go for the W3 schools HTML, and you will get a n number of tags here. Okay. So if you go for the tag list, no, you will get a n number of a tag list here. See, these are all the tag list only. If you go here, all the tag lists are there. If you want to go for a deferral, you go it. But for the interview purpose and job purpose, first you have to be prepared for job, right? Then you can go for a other thing. Okay. So now, so this is called the what we can say HTML form attributes. We got to know, okay, what is a form? Form is a one thing elements. It is going to be send the data from the front end to the back end, or sending the data from the front end to the back end. So this is the most probably we are using. The next is HTML, Canvas, and SVG. This is not important. So if you work for any graphics related, this one. So if you just have a look this one. So if you want to draw any Canvas related, SVG related, you just go through. This is the theoretical interview. Also, they will not ask more on this one. You can, if you want, you can go through it. You can read it. So next is the HTML media. What is a media? So, media and multimedia. So, multimedia means it might contains the audio file, video file, images, GIF, everything, music, sound, video, records, films, animation, and more. These are all the common thing. Video format is like a PDF, HTTP, movie, GIF, JPEG, PNG, ZIP, everything it will count. Okay, so this is, it will support all the media. So how, if you go for the Netflix, you are going to be see the all those things, right? If you go for the Hotstar, so Hotstar, it is going to be show the a video. If you want to listen a song, a Spotify, so that is also a multimedia because it is going to be play the audio sound. So if you go for the Hotstar, all the video tags and everything same. They have referred this website only. So this, I mean to say, this is a HTML only. They are going to be, that is the universal standard. Okay, so this is a how it will works. So if you want to play this video means, so if you want to see this cricket video, so how it is playing by using a video tag. If you want to listen the songs, how it is going to listen, so it is going to be listened by your tags. Okay, so this is how it will works. So we will going to be discuss one by one here. The first one is a video tag. Okay, so I want to learn a deeper way. What is the authentic URL or authentic website? So I will go here. I will also refer this one. The website is the Mozilla video tag. So this is a top website they are going to be refer. So Mozilla, uh, you might heard about the Mozilla Firefox. This is the same website. So I want to refer the video tag. Okay. So what I will do use, I will use this tag, copy. I will just add a one horizontal line here. I will use a video tag, controls, sources. So what is that? This one, the source is a uh, path of the video, and type is a video or MP4, SRC, and type equals to video or MP4. Save it. What is the source? So I have some recorded MP4 videos. So I will go here. So how to go here? So in my system, I already have some recorded videos. Where it is? So here I have some video. Okay. So copy. I will go here my browser. Where is my folder? Inside HTML folder, I will paste here. So this is a NMIT training is a my video is there. So I want to add in the here. So how to take a video means you can take any MP4 videos from your mobile or something. You just add it for testing. So here it is a the NMIT. So this is the file name is there. No need to worry. This is the extension will be MP4. So just we will go to the browser. See here. It will act as like a one website or a one media player. If you have a different media player, right? Audio like VLC is there. So you have a increase, decrease, and if you want a big screen, you're going to be big screen. If you want to download, you want to download. If you want to play back, you will get a small, normal. If you want a speed. So what is this one in the sense? So this is a video player. It is act like a video player only. So who is giving this one? Uh, the uh, World Web. What is a World Wide Web? That is a universal standard. So World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is an information system that enables the content sharing over the internet through the user-friendly environment. So this is a some standard. eh, They have developer they will develop and they will give you the tags. So this is how they are using. If you open the Hotstar, right? So this is how it will open. The next will come for the audio. So again I will go here. So I want to search for the audio. So Mozilla audio tag. If you go for the audio here, same again this is also the same thing, audio and controls. So this is how it is going to be worked. Okay, so here we are using the controls. What if I remove means what happens? Save it, run it, will go here. You are not seeing any play button, increase, decrease, download and everything. So here it is a the controls is a sorry controls, it is going to be give the all the options: play, mute, unmute, maximize, so download, picture playback and everything. Okay, so this is how it will works. Okay, so this is how it is going to be load the data. Okay, so this is how uh, it will work for the video tag. Then we'll go for the audio. Okay, so audio is also control source audio or MPEG. Okay, how to do this one? So if you just go for the audio, source SRC and type equals to MP3. So we audio or MPEG we will choose our audio. These are all the different of video format. Okay, so this is how it will works. So we'll go for the audio or OGG. So audio or OGG. So how to get the audio type? So that is also we have some audios here, because for the example we have kept there is audio. Okay, so I will take this audio, copy, and we'll go here and I will paste here. Okay, so this is the audio I want to play this one. So we'll go here. I will just write it. See, this is the audio tag. Okay, so save it and we'll go to the browser, reload. Yeah, we need to add a controls here. Save. So this is the audio tag. So where who are all using? If you just go here, type a Spotify, you will get a Spotify link here, and you are going to be play the song, right? So this is how it will going to be uh, do this one. If you again save the download, playback speed, if you want to go for the slow, this all this control is given by the your plugin, or we can say this is the a tag. So if you go for the Ghana, that is the audio tag. If you go for the Hotstar, so that is a video tag. So this is how it will works. Okay, so this is the how to use the audio and video tag. If you want to download, if you just click here, automatically it will download. So this is, I want to develop my own web, like OTT platform. I want to develop my own audio playlist platform. Then you can go for. You have an Indian like that Ghana. You might see the Ghana website. So Ghana website is here. So it is going to be what I can say. So it is giving you all the songs. How it is giving? So it is giving by the some this HTML tags only. So you are playing these songs, right? So this is called a audio and video tag. Okay, the next is what? Plugin. So what is a plugin? So you might heard of it in the engineering, or some people they are using daily in the talking time. They have a plugin. We are using a plugin and developing the application. You might heard this one. So plugin means what? It is a some standard set of a code is written and made one plugin. Okay, so payment gateway plugin is there. Payment gateway means so we have a different types of bank and we have different types of taxation, everything, transactions and everything. So that is we are going to be do with the using that plugin. So the plugin means again it is a subset of a code and they made a one plugin. So here if I use the object, it is like a iframe only. So object is a one plugin element supported by the all browser. Object element defines the embedded object within the. See, I want to display website within a website. I want to display anything website within the website. So this is how we have to do this one. Okay, so this is called a audio. The next last is a iframe. YouTube. So I have a YouTube channel, then I want to display the same videos in my web application. Yes, that is also possible. How to do this one? So I will add up one more HR tag. HR means horizontal line, then iframe, and what is the source? So how to do this one? What is the one standard text we need to write? So that is called the HTTPS colon double forward slash www dot youtube.com forward slash embed. So this is the standard URL you need to use this one. Then the ID you need to use. So how to do this one? So I will just go to the our video and I want to display the what we can say any YouTube videos. Okay, so this is a or else I will just go here youtube.com and we are going to be see the what we can say some videos I will use. So here it is a this is a one video is there. This video I want to play in my browser. How it is possible? Yes. So we need to open this video. Then we need to share here. We will get a one ID here. So this is the ID we need to copy, Control C. Then we'll go here. I will add here. See, that ID is added here. So this is the standard for all the videos. So this ID it is going to be changed, keep on changing for the every video. Save it. We'll go here. Okay, so just I want to close this one. Skip. See here. Here I am playing a YouTube video. So this is how. So this is how it is going to be uh, work on it. Okay, so this is YouTube I am playing. So I want to play more videos. So just go here, Control C, Control V, Control V. So you just need to change the ID here. So I will change this one ID and this ID. So I want to open up one more video. Okay, so this is how it will. I will use a web motion basic token. So just go for the share and I will take this ID, copy, Control C, and will go here and I will add a, sorry, Control V, save it, will go here, I will go here. So you are going to be get the all the videos here. Here is one more video. Here is one video. So if I just play means it is going to be play inside my website. Okay. So this is how it will works. So here we are not used any removed. So that's why it is not playing. If you want to play this one, this is how we are using the YouTube. Okay, so this is all about the HTML things. So if you learn this much means completely practical and interview questions means then arams you can clear the interview. If you want to go for the deeper way, you can go with a Mozilla HTML. So you will get a lot of things. So for the development purpose, for getting a job related, first you have to go through this whatever the text is there. Then once you become a developer, then you can go for the these languages. Okay, so this is how it will works. Okay, so this is how it will it is working. The next is we have almost all we have completed the HTML thing. Okay, so don't think like that. Okay, this is easy. So HTML is easy, and CSS is difficult. JavaScript is more difficult, and React is the most difficult. So HTML is the easier thing. So we have finished within 2 to 3 days. The next we are going with the CSS. We are carrying out it by tomorrow onwards, but just we will have a one discussion. What is a CSS and how to create a CSS? Then we will wind up this session. Okay, what is a CSS? The CSS is a cascade style sheet and it is used to give the color, height, width, margin, padding, font size, height and width of the image or audio, video, anything. Okay, so now I want to create how to create a file. So for creating a file, you need a first index file. So for that, what we have to do, what I will do, I will open a file here, open a folder. I will take a one more folder, that folder name CSS, because I want to keep all the files separately organized manner. So I will open a CSS folder. Again, I will create a one file, CSS file. Where we are going to be write a CSS file? We are going to be write a CSS file for the HTML. So I will go here. There is a index one.html. Okay, so this is how it will create. Again, same thing. Doc So why it is waiting for him? So some of the libraries and plugin it is going to be load. So that is why it is a what you can say throwing much time. Okay, so let it be doc. So here it is a HTML file. So I want to H2. This is a CSS session. Okay, so here I have a paragraph. This is a session starts with the basics. Okay, so then what is a part of CSS? So for CSS, so there are the three ways is there. Either you can write a style here, that is a one possibility, and you can write a style inside the header, so that is a one possibility. And we have a one more thing called a style.css. So which is the best way? So this is a writing an external file is the best approach. For the h2 tag, I want to write a something called a color Bollywood and font size larger, font family. See, I'm not typing all those things. Everything it will come, so you need to just use this one, monospace, and text align center. So this CSS we have written externally. So then I am using. I need to apply a CSS here, right? So I will just link here. Link. So automatically relation style sheet and href is what? A style.css. Okay, the style.css. So if I just run it, we will go here. So I didn't run. I've closed the drive. How to open it since? So just type a localhost 5500 forward slash css is my folder. So index1.html. So you can open a file like this also. So what is a mistake? Because this file I didn't run at, because this is I opened a new file. So for that right click, open with the live server. See here, this is the CSS apply the style. For this one also I need to apply a style. So for that I will go here, paragraph, border 2 pixel, solid black, and board sorry, margin 20 pixel. You don't need to worry what is the margin padding. We are going to discuss in deeper way in the CSS. Padding is a 40 pixel. Save it. We'll go here. See how it looks now. So I want to apply some background color for body. So for the body tag, open close brace, background color, save it, run it. Okay, so how it will looks? If I just, if I not add also here, it will not print. I will just comment it. How to comment it? Control forward slash means comment means it is disabled. It is visible, but it is disabled. No use. See how it looks now. So just I want to uncomment it. So how it will looks? Control forward slash is for the comment and then comment. Okay, so this is a CSS. This is a session starts with the new basics. Okay, this is a CSS session. So this is called a CSS. In the deeper way, we are going to be discussed by tomorrow onwards. Hopefully, this week we are going to be finish this CSS. The next week onwards, so some couple of holidays and week year end is there. If you missed the 1 or 2 days, miss no issues. Then next week will be CSS. By the next week, by January onwards, we are going to be discussed fully on a JavaScript. This is a very important. If you learn 1 month also less, 2 months also, if you have a lot of things to learn here practically. So this is we are going to be discussing the coming days. So you know